Hey everybody, it's Michelle. I'm at Pipelining Supply on this Tuesday. I just thought I'd give us a quick little tour of our shop here in Anaheim, California. Here's Tasia. She's our front desk. Say good morning to everybody.
Hello.
She'll be glad to take your orders.
Yes, please.
Over here we've got Marco, warehouse manager, working hard. And Cisco. Say hi to everybody, Cisco.
Hello, everybody.
Okay, now for our warehouse. We're going to have a little quick tour. First, we've got our beautiful conference room and a display of our roller, our quick heater, our quick shot, and of course our new quick coating system. Back here's our training facility and our warehouse of we've got all of our companion tools. Right here, this beautiful thing is the cable we're selling, or we're giving away in October. And we're also going to be giving away these chain knockers. So make sure to register. Get on our blog and register for the free cable right there and the chain knockers. Over here we got our Rensi machines and lots of inventory for you. Here's our quick coating or quick shot system in a box. If you're ready for one right now, it's ready for you to get shipped right to your place. We have the quick heaters ready to go. Here's kind of something exciting. We have our brand new air compressor, small, portable, put in the back of your van. It's ready for you to go. And then, of course, we have our training area. If you want some help, you want to come in, we'll be glad to train you in any of our equipment we have available. We have our quick shot right there, our quick coating machine, and we have our roller. And there's some more inventory in here. So, now I'm going to take you to the next part of our warehouse. We've got Marco here helping me out here. We are going to go to where we have all our liners, cal tubes. Oh, there's Chris. Say hi, Chris.
Hello.
He's going to help you take care of your order there. We've got lots of things in here for you to ready to go. If you want to come pick it up or ship it, we'll get it to you in a timely manner. We have liners. We have lots of resin. And then we have more liners, cal tube. Everything's ready to go. And now I'm going to take you over to our next area, which will be our resin. So we're going to walk over here. Check out our resin. It's a hot day in California, isn't it?
Yes.
As you can see, you can pull up. Chris, Marco, Cisco, any of us will help you out getting your order. Now here's where we mix our resin. You can get it over in the other area, but this is where we have our mixing. Now, look at that. Resin galore. There's a lot of base. And we have our different hardeners. We have the 60. We have the 115, the 30, and all of these items as well. Vinyl ester. Thank you. So, just thought I'd do a quick shout out this morning. These guys are working hard. They're ready to help you. Give them a call. Thanks, Marco. Have a great day.